Hi, welcome to Giggles Creative Flow. Yes, I'm back. I didn't want March to go away and not do this challenge, so I've been watching other YouTubers. So it's Junk Journal. Sorry, let's say that again. So it's jjmassmakemarch, and it's Corey Darman, Creating with Scraps, who has challenged people to make something. Mass make something. So what I've got here is, so what I was thinking of is snippet rolls. I've not done this before, so I'm just going to go for it basically. So I'm hoping this works. I'm probably choosing the hardest thing ever because the satin is going to be yeah. So let's choose if we use this first of all. Actually, let's grab the scissors. All I'm going to do is I've got this crochet doily. Yeah. And I've got some paper tea-dyed doilies as well. So shall we... Actually, I might leave that as it is. Hope you guys are doing alright. Yeah, there was some... where are you? Come here. Just some random... tags that we can put on there as well. So let's just... some birthday one. Let's have a shop, so let's get started. Are we all plugged in? Are we all accounted for? So I'm hoping this will work because I've just rethreaded it. Oh, what's going on? This has just been said, so I'm just going to pause it a second. Wow, that was an interesting fail. I just had to turn the switch on. Oh dear me. Sorry about the noise now. I'm just going to keep adding bits. Let's go back to this one. Where's the rest of that doily? Okay. Have we used all that crochet doily already? Looks like we have. That's alright, we'll carry on with the paper one. Oh, here it is. Oh God. Well, it's working fine, that's good. I haven't tested it since I got it back. Should be adding this tag as well. It's cute. Might leave this that one as well to it. Add that one there. Let's add this, sneak it in. Gee, this could be on the end. Maybe. Stick to the side. There we go. First one done. How random is that? Okay. Let's pop that to the back. Let's do a paper one next, I think. Shall we actually do a ruffle? I totally should be revising for an exam, by the way. I've got an exam on physiology and anatomy. Oh, I thought it came out then. And this is a bit thicker card, but it still works. That is another one. Park you there. Let's go back to our what we were going to do before. So we have this. I'm hoping it will take to the satin. Let's have a go. We won't know until we try. Oh yeah, we're in business, guys. Oh, that's it. Oh. I need to just lift the lip before carrying on. There will be more left. I might add something else on it. God. I won't win the award for being straight. No, no, no. You didn't do what you said you were going to do. You should lift that. Never mind. Oh, just about right and right. So we had satin and grosgrain ribbon here together. Oh. Just finish it off with a little turn of this one. That's that one. Sweet. You can park yourself over there. And then we've got these just the ends of a diary thing. Shall we use those? Oh, we have this as well. I'm not sure how to use it. Shall we wrap it round? This is me just messing around. Oh my goodness. Never done anything like this before. But there's always a first time for everything. I'm just going to go straight down the middle. Not worry about it at all. Oh god. Okay, maybe worry about that one. Don't get your needle stuck. Okay, so while that's in there, we've got the other bit of this which we could wrap around. Maybe. This was just some punching that was spare. So I was like, oh, let's try a bit of that. You could do this tighter. We could always cut off the last bit. Oh, hello. That's fine, you just carry it. Yeah, we'll cut off the last little bit. We could turn it on itself. Turn it on itself. And that's that one. It's a pretty pattern, isn't it? Eek. Right. What else we got? Could do this and this together. Why not? Start from the back. Oh, hang on. And stop. And then we'll get another piece. This was from my old diary actually. And we'll do it the other way. Got anything else? Yeah, let's just carry on with this. Should have got this plain one. Oh no, let's carry on with the... Let's tear a bit of this off, shall we? Got a pink thing going on. Oh god. Let's not miss the needle bit. Okay, go leaves. Ooh, you straightened yourself, thank you. Oh, there's just the right amount here. Let's overlap that, shall we? There we go. Actually, while we're in that zone, we might as well just carry on. This will look quite nice on the white. Could ruffle up. There we go. Just hoping for the best here. Gonna run out of fabric. Got a tiny little string here. Maybe we can add something else in there. Why not? You can come in and play. We've got this and this and this and this. Ooh, sorry. And you had a wobble of the camera, sorry. So you got over there. What else we got? Got this beautiful tag, 5-year warranty for something. I love the feather. Shall we add that to... What haven't we used yet? Suppose we haven't used... Shall we use this one? That's pretty. Might go spread this out a bit. Let's put random ones on this one. Just tags I found in there. This is from a glass something or another. Some jeans. Actually, yeah, that's fine. Savia hemp bags. You can come and play. Let me add in this again. interesting one. The tags. Cool. Finally, I did want to use a bit of this. Shall we use this on? Shall we use it on? Actually, let's just use it under this. Together with this. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, hope that still stayed. We've got more of those things. So we've got one more. The corrugated, and we'll carry on. Oops. Oh, we've got two here. Never mind. Got a tiny bit more corrugated. Let's stick it in between them two. So that's come out pretty cool. So let's see what we've made. Oh my goodness, I'm just moving the machine out the way. Let's move all this. that's just the scissors falling over there. We'll carry on with these shortly. Just park these over there. We'll carry on with those scraps. Oops a daisy. So this is what we've made. So we've got this. And then we've got this. I could always add other things onto it. This orange ruffle. This handmade. Oh yeah, this was a long one. But I like the way the black and the white thread work together. That's cool. Then we've got this. And this. I actually really like this one. Ooh. And then finally did the twisty thing with this. I hope you enjoyed that. So this was Corey Darman is the person you need to look out for, and yeah, join in. Still today to go, so hopefully I'll upload this by the evening, and yep, you can see other people's as well using that hashtag jjmassmakemarch. Take care for now. Bye.